No matter what you have actually been told, it is possible to reverse impaired kidney function and avoid dialysis or kidney transplant and surgical treatment. You can follow the exact same detailed holistic healing protocols that thousands around the world have actually currently followed with effective outcomes. Discover the secrets, including ancient treatments that can assist you reverse impaired kidney function, prevent dialysis and kidney surgical treatment. Hear what these people have to say. This has given me hope. I found out about my CKD a few months back when I suffered from long agonizing leg cramps. Initially, our company doctor thought I was just dehydrated and advised me to rehydrate once in a while. The episodes persisted and I decided to go to the doctor again to ask for a laboratory checkup. That's when I found out that my potassium levels are erratic and my kidneys can't regulate it anymore. I went to a nephrologist and found out that it's worse than dehydration. The doctor ran a couple of tests and I was diagnosed with stage 4 chronic kidney disease with renal anemia secondary to hypertension. The physical suffering was no match with the emotional and mental anguish my wife felt during that time. During my lifestyle change, I did countless research to seek alternative cure for my condition. I was advised that kidneys don't heal and the high dosage of medications I'm taking is just to prolong my kidney function. I chanced upon Duncan's site through Google and read through the introductions. The feeling that there's hope after all the advice that I will not be well was overwhelming. I called up my wife and asked her to study the site and we made the decision to download the ebook. For me it's a mutual decision with my spouse, because she's my support system and I know with her help the instructions in the ebook will be realized. Today, based from my last laboratory, my creatinine is down by 25 points and my RBC went up to 13 points. Aside from that, I have lessened my skin dryness, improved my urine output and color, lessened urine bubbles, lessened lower back pains, and lessened the feeling of exhaustion. I increased my energy level. Sometimes I still feel energized at night after hours of working and driving to and from the office. I have recommended this ebook to a friend of mine who's suffering with the same condition. I recommended it because it's practical, easy to follow and natural. Archie de Chavez, Manila, Philippines. Even my doctor wants me to maintain this regime. At my recent checkup with my own doctor in Australia, I was really shocked to find my kidney function down, and my sugar and cholesterol levels very high. Since I've always had good health, I was dumbstruck and decided to be proactive, which I'm always exhorting my fellow workers to be. After lots of investigation, I lighted on your website and purchased your package. It was very easy to download, and your seating facilities and follow-up service, excellent. I followed a very precise diet for 6 weeks taking into account your glycemic index and kidney solution references, started working out in the gym, walked to work every day instead of taxiing, dropped my caffeine input, cancelled all alcohol and started a vitamin and mineral supplement as suggested by you, followed by several Brazil nuts a day. Last week I had my sugar levels monitored and they have already come down and I have lost weight. Plus even my doctor wants me to maintain this regime. I have told one of my friends about your program as she possesses similar traits to those I have. Old age creeping up basically. Thank you, I'll keep you posted on this work in progress. Ellen Fielder, Katong, Singapore. My doctors were unable to help me. I now feel that I have control of the situation. Hi. My name is William East and I live in Albany, Western Australia. I have been battling low kidney function for at least 6 months. My doctors were unable to help me. One specialist admitting that he didn't know what to do for me. My creatinine levels were 157 with a GFR of 37. My normal level a year ago was creatinine 86 and GFR 74. I have been attending a naturopath who has helped a little. We decided to go on the net to see if there was anything else that could help me. We downloaded your book about 2 weeks ago and although it is early days yet I am beginning to feel that I may be getting somewhere at last. I took your list of herbs and vitamins with me when I visited my naturopath. She tested me for them and said to go ahead and use them. She agreed with your suggestions. I am now looking forward to having another blood test in a few weeks to see how I am going. I have had very high blood pressure and all the doctors were worried about getting it down. So the only medication I received was blood pressure tablets. I had some homeopathic remedies from my naturopath and she was gradually finding out what was needed for me. We were delighted to receive your book. It has helped me a lot. I now feel that I have control of the situation. I would have no problem in recommending yours to others if the need should arise. Thank you very much. William East, Albany, Western Australia.
There are many natural therapies available. Combined with appropriate dietary and lifestyle changes, you can both reverse kidney damage and protect from further damage to your kidneys in the future. Get an effective step-by-step program proven to start healing your kidneys today. Take action by clicking the link below. You'd be surprised how well this works.
If you're ready to take action, click on the link below this video now.